In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Dropbox status. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end, you'll have a better handle on managing your files in Dropbox. Let's get started. First, launch Dropbox. You can do this by locating the Dropbox icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you click on the icon, the application will open, displaying your Dropbox interface. This is the hub where all your files and folders are managed. It is crucial to ensure that you are logged into the correct account, as this will help you avoid confusion later. Seeing your familiar Dropbox interface means you are ready to proceed. Next up, open your main Dropbox folder. This is typically the central location where all of your files and subfolders are stored. You can find it on the left side of the application, usually labeled as My Dropbox. Clicking on this will give you access to all your documents and folders. It is important to navigate to this folder because only from here can you manage the availability status of your files. Once you are in your main Dropbox folder, you will see everything neatly organized. After that, right-click on the file or folder you want to modify. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. You should see various commands related to the selected file or folder. Right-clicking is an essential step because it opens up the specific settings for that item. This means you can customize how you access and share your files. Once you have the context menu displayed, you are prepared to choose the desired status for your file. Now, choose your preferred availability status. You will see options like Make Online Only or Make Available Offline. Selecting either option will affect how you access the file in the future. Choosing Make Online Only means the file will remain visible in your Dropbox but will not take up space on your local hard drive. Instead, you'll need an internet connection to access it. This is important because it saves space on your device, which can be particularly beneficial if you're running low on storage. If you opt to make available offline, this will download the physical file to your laptop. This means you can view or edit it without needing a Wi-Fi connection. This option is especially useful if you travel frequently or work in areas with unreliable internet. By ensuring you have your important files available offline, you can work seamlessly without interruptions. This little step saves you a lot of time later when you need to access your files urgently. In summary, changing the status of your files in Dropbox is a simple yet effective way to manage your storage and accessibility. By following these steps, you can easily switch between online and offline availability for any file or folder. With these options at your disposal, you can optimize your workflow and ensure you have the files you need when you need them. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Dropbox more effectively.